Forget everything you know about AI video creation. Up until now, we've been playing it safe, generating one scene, one image, one movement at a time. It was slow, it was tedious, and a lot of new creators have quit because of the stress. What if I told you that generating your video, the scene-by-scene method, can be over for you with just a free tier on this tool? I found a tool that feels like a cheat code. One prompt, one full script, and it spits out a complete, finished video. I'm not talking about a slideshow. I'm talking about lighting, pacing, and storytelling, all handled by the engine. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it handled a complex script I wrote. And more importantly, I'll show you the result that literally left me speechless. If you're tired of spending 10 hours on a 10-minute video, join me in this video and watch till the end because I will make a short video with this tool so you can confirm it yourself. Let's dive straight into the video. Open your browser and go to Google. Find it. In the search bar, type Focal AI. Wait for the results, then click on the link that says focalml.com. This will take you to their Focal homepage. On the homepage, you'll see some information about the platform. You can take a moment to read and understand more about Focal. But for now, let's get straight to business. The first thing you need to do is register. To make it faster and easier, choose the Register with Google option. And just like that, you're in. You can now start creating with Focal AI. You can either type in what you want to create or generate your own video from ChatGPT or Claude AI. For this video, I will head over to Claude AI to get a script I prepared earlier. I will copy the entire script, no editing, no changes, just everything as it is. Then I'll come back to Focal AI and paste it in. Choose the video model LT. Make sure your language is properly set, and then click Generate. One good thing about Focal is that it will ask you for the necessary details to create your video. This, for example, I will choose a duration of 60 seconds. Next, it asks for the aspect ratio. I'll choose 9:16 because it's perfect for social media. You can choose whatever you prefer. It's your content, your choice to make. Hit Enter to continue generating the AI video. It will then ask if you are satisfied with the script and ready to proceed. Click Yes to move forward. You will get this pop-ups and this two options. Simply choose Maybe Later. This tool is not completely free. It has free version, and that can be enough for you to start with. Or sacrifice a small amount monthly and upgrade to the $10 plan. I'm not advising you. It is your choice. That is because, unlike any other AI tools, where you generate visual yourself and make changes and editing, you might waste your free tier for the day. But this tool will give you a full video. All you just need is to add is your voiceover. How many of you have seen those Asian Korean movies on TikTok? Yes, those one that you can't download anywhere except from YouTube. It can be made with this platform. You can generate your own story and add a voiceover to it. The voiceover will also come from an AI tool for free. Please, you don't have excuse to not monetize a YouTube channel before the end of this year. Use the free tier or even sacrifice at least small money monthly and upgrade to the $10 plan and start making content and then start making money. Even with little subscribers, I still make video and post because one day I will have my own loyal subscribers too, just like every other person who started and never gave up. Also, while we wait for the video to complete generation, subscribe to this channel. I wish that every viewer who view this video would like and subscribe to this channel. That is my own reward for sharing this with you. Now you can see the video image has been created. Don't worry, the image will be animated also by this tool. Now the video is complete. You now have your video, good story, good animation, good hooks. What is now remaining is the voiceover, and your video is done. And you can get your voiceover for free with 11 Labs, Google Studio, and Fish Audio AI. But there are terms and conditions. Now I have shared my knowledge with you, and we have checked this tool out, and it is working. Use it well now. Use this information well. For information without action is waste. I believe that by this time next year, you will be showing off multiple channels you have grown. You will be telling your student that this is easy, then they see it. Lock in now, brother, and lock in, sister. Subscribe if this helped you. Like and share this video, and I will see you in the next one.